Good afternoon, Planetarium Masters. From your packet, you should have this chart of the constellations of the zodiac. You're going to need some small markers. I've got push pins here, but you could use marbles or even just bits of paper, but some way to represent the sun and the planets and so forth. Ooh, look at that. Even a yellow one for the sun. So, step one is to cut out these 4 strips and then hook them together. A will overlap A, D will overlap D, and so on to make a ring, a circle of constellations. These are the constellations of the zodiac. Zo as in zoo, because 8 of the 12 are animals. Some of you may have heard of astrology, a pseudoscience that says the stars under which you were born can influence your life and predict your future. I can say that's called a pseudoscience, but a lot of people get a kick out of finding out their horoscope and reading what their future's going to be. It's sort of like getting a fortune cookie at the Chinese restaurant, and about as equally scientific. So, here's A, and here's A. And here's B, and here's B, and that's C, and this is C, so what you learned about the ecliptic is that is the actual path the sun appears to follow as viewed from Earth. Now, you got to put this together with the pictures inside. And right smack, so this is a tiny little solar system. And of course, what's in the middle of the solar system? The sun. Now, how many planets are there? 8. I'm not going to say their names just yet. That's for you. But here's planet number 1, number 2, whew, board's harder than I thought it would be. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last planet, number 8. Now, your job is to go to Stellarium, thinking of this physical model of our solar system. Where are we? Which planet are we? Earth. And we numbered them, starting with planet 1 closest to the sun, planet 2 second out, planet 3 third out, and so forth. I'll give you one hint. The blue is Earth, or the blue marble. So, when we see the planets, like we're looking at this planet, it appears to be in front of the Gemini twins. Ooh, that planet had a catastrophe. So go back to Stellarium and figure out in front of which constellation each planet is today. then come back and adjust your model. This is Mr. Jim saying, have at it, masters.